I went shopping at the Dollar Tree. I am ready to do some Valentine's Day crafting, and I have two projects planned. I'm going to show you the ingredients or the supplies that I have, and I want you to tell me what I'm going to make. I have two planned. I could do three if I have time. I have these 4 wooden hearts. I have plans for 2. I have a plastic garden dish, some wood hearts. No idea what I'm going to do with these, but they were really cute. Some boy gnomes, some girl gnomes, Valentine's Day tissue paper, Valentine's Day napkins, a card for Greg, which is not going to be incorporated in any craft, some white floral stems, which may stay white, may not, onion grass with a butterfly. The butterflies were not really on my list of things to get. I really just wanted the grass, but I might be able to add it to the project. Some really pretty pink mesh tube, a terrarium planter. I have done 2 projects with these before. I think only 2. One for Halloween and one for Christmas. If you haven't seen them, be sure to check them out because they're kind of cool. Super cool. Last but not least, a glass vase. So I want to know what you think I'm going to make with these items. Be sure to leave comments below and guess what I'm going to make.